All right, it's on wheels and tires. Him here, Bubba had to come out and fondle it. Is fondle the right word we should use for this? Oogle? Ogle? That's real nice. Right under the undercarriage, Bubba. So yeah, like I said, we stole the wheels and tires from the Manchi right now. But black looks pretty good on there. What do you think? What do you think, Bubba? Black wheels?
Black on white, man.
I was gonna use the stock wheels, but man, that's pretty sweet. Woo. So in the Mopar Lift Kit, this is the Mopar 2-inch lift kit, they sent us this Performance parts badge or something. I mean,
I don't know about that.
What do you think, Bubba? No?
That's not my favorite.
All right, nah.
That didn't work.
All right, we'll toss that, Bubba. What do you got? What do you got for us then?
Fresh out the oven.
We already got this really nice badge here.
Yeah.
Should we put it on the back?
Let's take
Should
it
we
off.
just start?
Oh, yeah.
Should we just start
right.
like this thing where we just put it on the back? Because that's really nice, and it's like
nice.
it's
It's red.
inset.
It matches the Rubicon.
We'll start a trend. Let's put them.
Probably paid $1,000 for that.
Let's put them on the back corner. Then people can buy. They'll get
Ooh.
2 badges. Yeah.
Ooh, right in there.
Yeah, I think that's.
Huh.
I think that's it. So
Huh.
are those JLs or?
Well, yeah. It's got our JL bumper there. Manchi wheels right there.
Yeah, I think those
Those are Mambas. 37s.
Yeah, I think those are the.
Yeah.
That's
it.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's christen D. Hey, it's important when you put these stickers on to prep the surface. You gotta prep the surface.
I like the hip thrust motion also.
Well, if you're gonna do it all the way.
If this isn't straight, Cameron will murder you.
Or are we gonna go centered?
Oh,
Offset.
I like there.
Right there.
So you know.
Ooh.
Do it.
Eye of the tiger.
Man, look at that.
Ooh.
Then you
Remember.
Then you got an extra mall rated badge for a friend.
Mall rated.
What was that?
Nothing.
Excuse me.
Nothing.
What was that
It
noise?
nothing. I don't know. It came out. Ah!
Boy, you better get. I know you understand that language.
I might.
So like I said, these are the 17-inch Mamba wheels off from the MJ. I don't have black lug nuts, so we had to use those 14 or M14s from a set of wheel spacers we had, but yeah, looking pretty good. This needs a lot more JCR off-road parts.
You know what's really mall rated about it?
What's that?
These mailbox reflectors. Like I really like where the tag is,
The tag looks great.
but the mailbox reflectors
Yeah.
might have to do something about that.
Well, how about just the rear bumper just goes away?
Let's
Ditch it.
Vanguard.
Vanguard.
I like that.
Delicious.
Huh.
Well, alrighty then.
Hey, if you want a Mopar Performance badge, it's right there.
Yeah, if you want a Mopar Performance badge and sticker, there it is in the snow in our parking lot.
Hey, but don't mess with our pallets.
All right, everyone, we need to get this back inside and continue to make rad JL product, but it was too cool not to share. Thanks, Bubba.
You're welcome.
See you later.
Oh, bye.